Are you wondering how much a marketing video costs? Let me cut right to the chase. A premium quality marketing video can cost $50,000 and more. Today in this video, I'll show you how to drastically cut that price. I'll show you how to save tens of thousands of dollars on high quality video. I'll share with you the visibility hacking 20-minute a day strategy. And I'll show you how to get much more done. All this and more. Stay tuned. A fantastic place to find high quality ideas and great technique is actually by recruiting students who are working on projects at your local film schools. Try your high schools, try your universities, try your film academies. These are great places to find students who, one, need to get work done, they need to get work experience, they have projects they need to work on. Two, they're willing to work for a much lower cost. You have to pay your student interns. Do not, I repeat, do not even think about continuing to watch this video if you do not believe that paying your interns is the right thing to do. You can pay them, but you don't need to pay them as much as a freelancer. You can pay them significantly less as they're still gaining experience. But you have to pay them. I've been able to find incredibly creative ideas and incredibly creative individuals who then I, later on, most of the time, end up hiring onto my team. They become familiar with our brand messaging, and they know already what our expectations are for content. We work with them as when they're still students for 1 or 2 projects. We give them as much guidance as we can, but we also give them some creative freedom. But we also then decide that we want them on our team. We hire them on and we continue to mentor and nurture them there as well. Now, if you want free mentoring and nurturing for your small business to help level up your visibility, well then all you have to do is hit the subscribe button because we have new videos for you every single week, helping you level up your visibility, your authority, your influence, and ultimately your small business income online. The visibility hacking 20-minute a day strategy involves you going live every day for less than 20 minutes. That's right. It should take only a couple minutes of setup and then you've got the rest of your 20 minutes to talk to your people. This is fantastic because it enables you to build that community. It helps you get your message across. It helps you test your message just like comedians do. Comedians don't just stand up there for their HBO special and spew out brand new jokes. No. They have been quietly testing them in the background. They have been testing out maybe 10 jokes a night. Maybe 2 will land. They'll keep those. We'll put gold stars next to them. They'll get rid of the other ones. They'll tweak and adjust. They'll do it again the next day. They'll gather more gold stars. They'll push away more trash. They'll refine until they have 10 great gold star jokes that they bring to their HBO special. Your live show is a space for you to do that too. Building that show is easier than you think. All you have to do, we'll show you how to do it. You can join us for Live Academy, but we'll talk about that later on in the video. Now, if you want to get a ton more done, you have to realize that you can't clone yourself. For a long time, I would hope and I would pray that I would wake up and there would be 5 of me and I could get so much more done as a kid. I could get so much more playing. I could get so much more chores. I could get so many more neighbors' lawns mowed and make some more income for me. But that's a whole nother side point. If you want to get more done while also being mindful of your marketing budget, then I recommend hiring out small tasks. You can hire out people on places like Fiverr or Upwork, and you can find people who specialize in these types of tasks. Say, for example, you're going to do your live show because you can create a great amount of effortless content that way. But you'd like to hire someone to create your intro where your logo comes flying out at people and you want something a little bit fancier that's outside of your scope and your toolbox. So you can hire someone to do that. This is a great way to save your time, save your money, and get you moving on quicker. We know when we run our small businesses, we have to put on a ton of different hats. So having the ability to hire someone to do that for you at a reasonable cost is absolutely essential. Now, I mentioned Live Academy. So what I want you to do, if you want into Live Academy, if you want to learn how to create that engaging live stream experience, then what I invite you to do is first to look at your live content. You have to be creating content already. I want you to check the link down below for our live stream analysis. Go through that assignment. There's videos in it. It'll show you how to do everything. And then you're going to join us for Live Academy. That is the invitation, if you will. You have to go through that analysis first. Then, once you're in Live Academy, we'll walk you through everything you need to know and more. But until then, remember I love you. Be excellent to each other. Just go live.